See, in this video tutorial, especially I would like to show you, yes, what are the features have been given in iMyFone debug. Here, see, if you would like to recover any data from any iOS device, this is the best one software. How you will recover the data? So firstly I will go in a smart recovery and start. In a start, see, here clearly mentioned that how did you lose your data. So if you have lost, yes, you deleted data by accident, then you have to go for that. Yeah, reset factory or jailbreak upgrading. If you lost your data, I will go by this. Yes, iPhone lock by forgotten password and other reason. By that we will be able to by clicking here. iPhone lost or damaged or broken. Yes, in that situation you would like to, yeah, your data have, yes, your data, yes, has been lost. In the situation, yes, now you would like to recover the data. We will click here. Yeah, stuck at Apple logo, recovery mode, low black screen. So for example here, yes, I have lost my data or deleted by accident, so I will click here and I will start to recover. So when I will start, now it's asking that please connect your iOS device to a computer. So now see, device is connected but unrecognized. So what have I to do here? Yes, if your device boot up is the plug by USB PC, ensure the latest version of iTunes is installed. Check iTunes. Yes, iTunes Cloud recognize your device and try to uninstall and reinstall iTunes. Second one, if your device is connected but it's unrecognized, in the situation, replug in, yes, device and reboot device and plug in again. Third one, use the USB cable that come with your device. Original data cable, of course, generally it is imported. So if you use a duplicate data, in the situation you will have the problem. So now here I will cut here and once again I will replug and I will try. Fine, it's connected now. It's a 5 hours, so I will go for next now. Now see guys, anything you would like to scan at the moment, select your data type and that you want to recover. So just you have to select your folder and then you have to go for example WhatsApp. So any, of course, by deselecting and go for selection of any applications and you will be able to recover. For example here WhatsApp I would like to, so I will go for a scan now. So see guys, it will take a time and 100% I assure you that yes, it will recover your data that suddenly you have lost by the accident, yeah, by mistakenly. So just at the moment I will go back, I will stop and here I will back. Now I will come in a recover from device, not a recover from iTunes back. So if you have, yes, backup with your iTunes, then just you have to click from here, you will be able to recover from iCloud. Yes, if your data, yes, haven't lost, now you would like to recover from iCloud, then just you have to click here start, just you have to enter your Apple ID and password, and definitely you will be able to recover as you have lost. See, fix the iOS system. In this option, what you will do, one one is a standard mode where yes, you will be able to fix white black screen, and as well as device stuck on your Apple logo, recovery mode, restarting loops, iTunes, of course, error, break, iOS, yes, device and the freezing screen, not turning on, more without. For example, just I will go for here now. See what is saying is, when I will go where start to click, then second one, just I will press yes, hold sleep walk button, yeah, home button I can say, and simultaneously for yes, press the here clearly mentioned press and hold sleep walk button and home button simultaneously. Yes, for especially of course 8 to 10 seconds, sometimes it takes of course 30 seconds, and then release the sleep walk button and continue holding the home button for 5 seconds. Now see, if the screen stay black and the program process to next step, your device yes should now be in DFO mode. If not, then please try again and try it put of that. So what I will do here, see, after suppose here just with holding of your home button, we will of course press the button of on off, and we will be able to of course keep in a DFO mode. Then we will go for next, and we will be able to definitely of course to fixing. And here this is a recover, and once again iCloud, from especially iCloud you will be able to recover your data, and this is recover from iTunes backup, and this one is a recover from iOS. Yes, so how I will go for recover the iOS? So I will go for next. In next, now see, I have already mentioned to you, in a smart recovery what I will do, easy step to recover the data, I will go for a start here, and now according to your how did you lose your data, firstly you have to choose the options. So in these situations what I will do, option has been given, if you have lost your deleted data by accident by clicking here, phone locked by forgotten password and other. In the situation, this is a reset jailbreak or iOS upgrade, and this is yes, phone lost, damage or broken, and this one is stuck at logo and recovery looks black screen. So what I will do is just I will go forward. I will start now. Here, see, if you have clearly mentioned here, if your iOS is not listed, please here check whether you have backed up your iOS device to iTunes successfully, and select iTunes backup from other folder to recover. Then I will go for next. So just yes, after selection here, for example, see here now, wait, here I will go in the data, in data 2, yeah, see, actually I didn't backed up, so that's why I won't be able to show you this feature. If you have backup is anywhere in your computer, from there selecting, you will be able to, of course, restore your data. Now some other feature has been here. See, purchasing, register, feedback. Yes, user guide has been given, review has been given, technical support is also here, and find my phone, Facebook also given. Yes, on Twitter also. Language, check for update about this ones. So as been at version is especially I am 6.6. So yes, if you would like to have this, purchase these applications directly, you will be, of course, click here, you will be able to register to this website and you will be able to purchase. So yes, permanently any data you would like to recover, so then purchase it and of course go for. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. My motive, that's how you will recover your data. Yes, that you have lost in your phone. Yes, suddenly by, yes, deleted or of course lost data by accident. I'm while you resetting, jailbreak or iOS upgrading. Especially if you have lost your diamonds due to broken of your phone and otherwise of course iPhone locked by forgotten or other password. Other reasons of course. Otherwise of course I'm saying if you have lost especially stuck at Apple logo, recovery mode, low back screen. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you, have a great time. And if this video has been benefited to you in any way to recover your data that you have lost from your iPhones, then don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. Leave the comment below the comment box that how do you like this video. Thank you, guys, have a great time.